If you want to get more views on your videos, let's talk about how to tag YouTube videos properly, the right way, so you can get more views on your videos. So step 1 is to open YouTube Studio. For that you have to go to studio.youtube.com and then log in into your YouTube channel and then go to content from the left menu. Once you are in the content tab, you have to choose your video. Find the video you want to tag and click on the pencil icon to open video details. Now step 3 is to add tags. For that you have to scroll down and click on show more. Now you will see the tag section. Add keywords that describe your video's main topic, variations or even related terms. For example, if your video is about iPhone camera tips, tags could be like iPhone photography, iPhone 15 camera, smartphone camera tips, mobile photography, etc. So you can use specific or relevant keywords, just don't repeat your title or use hashtags here, and also avoid clickbait or unrelated tags. YouTube ignores them and it's harmful for your channel growth, so don't do that. And if your topic is often misspelled, use a tag for that too, like iPhone camera tips, and that's it. Tags won't magically rank your video, but they will help YouTube understand it better. So if this helped, hit like, subscribe and turn on the bell icon for more creative tips like that. See you in the next one.